Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to explain JavaScript Set Methods. What is a JavaScript Set Methods? A JavaScript set is a built-in object that stores a collection of unique values, meaning duplicate values are automatically ignored. In simple words, a set ensures every values appear only once in the sets. Think of it like YouTube likes. One user, okay, it is equal to 1 likes. Suppose this is here, think of it like YouTube likes. One user it is equal to 1 likes. No matter how many times they click on the like button, is still counted once. We are building a like system like Instagram or YouTube's. So let's build that here. This is, here you have to create the const likes. It is equal to new sets. Got it. So here what happened, the set is to the unique user who liked the post in the sets. Yes, here we have our first method, set method. A new set is a constructor used to create a new set instance that can store unique values. So we have example for it. This is here const likes is equal to new set method. Here we created our empty system to store the likes. Initially no user have liked the post. You see by default it is just empty sets. Then we are going to add here in this add method. This is another add method. Add is a method used to insert a new value into a set. If the values already exist, it will not be added again. Here let's create here likes. Okay, I think we need to remove this comment, so let's use this variables here. Here likes dot it, inside it here put user 1 and then likes dot it, inside it here user 2, then likes dot it, inside it here user 1. Got it. Duplicate values. Here you see here we have user 1, then again we have user 1, but it is duplicate. So here what happened, already set ignore this user 1. User 1 try to like twice, 2 times. This user again here, this is already liked the post, but again try to like again the same post. So what happened here, user 1 try to like twice, set ignore duplicate automatically. So final data what we have, console total logs, and this is your likes. We have only two like user 1, user 2. Let me check it here. CLS and execute your files. You see here we have only two users, user 1 and user 2, that has liked the post. Then we have a next method, that is a hash method. This is here. Hash is a method. It is used to check whether a specific value exists in the set. It returns true or false values. If it exists, it returns true, otherwise false. So check it here, likes dot hash user 1. If it is hash here, so what happened here, let me console the log. How you can console the log, this is here, all that code you have to put in this console.log, and you got your value. If this user already like the post, and this is already added in the sets here, it means it's like in the post. So here if it have in the likes, then you got it your true values. We print, and you see here you got it true values. So here what happened, before adding or showing UI, we check if already liked, block duplicate actions, using the real app. So when you will build something bigger apps like YouTube clone or Instagram or anything that have feature liked, you can implement this concept. Like button, follow button, sorting systems. Then we have to move next is here delete. Delete is a method used to remove a specific value from the sets. This is delete is a method used to remove a specific value from the set. So here in the likes sets, I am going to delete something, likes dot delete, then inside here user 1. Okay, so here what happened, guys. Okay, let me console.log before and after that, then console.logs, before likes, then after likes, paste it here, after, and use here. You will understand, but first time we have two users, but after that you will only one user, that is user 2. So you could check it here. You see here, first time we have two user, but next time we have user 2. Okay, why? Because user 1 has been deleted with this method, this delete. Got it? So user remove their like, like the post. Now we have only one user 2. This is clear method. This one here, clear is a method used to remove all the value from the sets, making it empty totally. Suppose I am going to comment on this code, and now at this time we have two users in the sets, like user 1 and user 2. So let me clear all that. I mean remove all the data from the sets. So here you have to use life dot clear method, and again here you have to put before likes, after likes, then you will easily understand. Before we have two user, after clearing we have nothing, just empty sets. So check it here. You see it is before we have two data in the sets, but after clearing we have 0 data in the sets. So it is very simple. All likes removed, so post deleted are the sets. Next is about size. So this is size method, this one here. This is size is a property that return the total number of unique element in the sets. So this is here. This is, let me check it here, console.log, and inside it here likes dot size, and what we have two users, so that's why here you want count 2, and you see that is 2, that is fine. So it is 2. Here we have already comment that thing, so that's why we have the 2. We have next is here for each method. It is used to retrieve loop over each value in the sets. Here we have to use the likes dot for each method. This is, here we have the user, make it a function, then inside it here console.log. What we have here, we have the users. So let me print that things, and use here loop through all users who like the post, that is the user 1, user 2. Okay, it is useful for displaying the data in the projects. So that is fine, guys. This is all about your for each. Next it is here values. Here values return an iterator containing all the value in the sets. This is here likes dot values methods, and you can check it here, put in the console.log, then you will understand the things. Console.log like dot values, so we have to print, and you see here iterator user 1, user 2, set in the iterators. Got it? Here give all the user who like the post and used when extracting your data. Next it is key method. Return an iterator of all values in the set. In set, key are the same as values. Key are the same as values. So again, key inside the console.log. You have to check it here. Likes dot keys. You have to print here. Check it here in the outputs. You see here, set it user 1, user 2. Key it is same as the values. Now this is here enter is return an iterator of values pair for each element in the sets. This is here console.log. This is what likes dot enter is here. You get your output like inside our user 1, then user 2, user 2. Here return any iterator of values. Use here values. Use here like user 1, then user 2, user 2. Pair for each element in the set whatever you have. You have like user 1, user 2. So that's why here in the output you got user 1, then user 2, user 2. So check it here. You see here in the set user 1, user 2, user 2. Why? Because set do not have keys, so value is repeated. So that is all about these methods here. Okay, so fine here. Now everything is complete here. Instead of finding duplicate with us, use set and let JavaScript handle it for you.